Welcome to Eagle Steel Guitars, where we have come up with some pick and bar holders for several different style legs. The first one you see here is for a conduit leg, um, and you're able to download these files and 3D print them on your own 3D printer. We have four different ones. Two of them are for standard legs, like the standard legs that are on a regular most any steel guitar you see, and we also have the 1 inch leg size, and we have the rectangle one is for the standard legs, and then we have a round one also for standard legs. We have one for the 1 inch round legs and one for the conduit legs, and we will be coming out with a couple other sizes later, and you can print these in any color you like, and the STL files are available uh, on my page. Go to jimmyhudson.com and you'll find it on the purchase products page. Thank you and have a great day.